trouble with pirates since September. Some countries been giving them safe haven. They'll take hostages or go for our rovers. It's like the Wild West out there. It's your first time in the war zone?
3 years over the Arctic Circle.
All right.
And a heck of a lot of Army-Navy games.
Well, I guess that's not much you haven't seen, right? Well, look, it's almost a full moon. A large stretch of the far side's real black, so let's suit up.
Lunar rover set for departure to the far side launch complex.
Look at this. The big blue marble.
Rover 7, confirming settings.
Bearing 290.
Alpha, we have what looks like unidentified rovers approaching our position. Possible pirate activity.
Alpha, we need backup ASAP. We're being ambushed.
LRV-2 down.
Roy!
I have a puncture.
Roy, you all right?
I'm okay.
Alpha, repeat. We need... Lieutenant! Oh, Lord! Go!
We are not clear. I repeat, we are not clear. We have multiple enemy craft in pursuit.